Hello, this is Miss McCauley. So today we're going to do lesson 18, session 3, called Develop. And lesson 18 is add and subtract tens. And we're on page 464. So find this page. Okay. Up here I wrote the standard. You don't have to write it down. I just want you to know the standard is 1 for first grade, NBT for numbers and base 10, part B to C. And this has to do with knowing about tens. Okay? So it says here, add, use the 100 chart to help. Okay, so we're going to start at 36. We're going to say 36 plus 20. So is the answer going to get bigger or smaller if we're adding? Yeah, it's going to get bigger than 36. So we're going to start at 36. Circle it. Okay, so we're going to add 20. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. We ran out of space, so we have to go to the next line. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So you go ahead and do that. Start at 36 and count like that. And then when you run out of space here, go to the next line, the beginning of the next line, until you get to 20 and then stop. Go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay, did you get to 20? Where did you stop? Okay, you should have stopped right here at 56, right? 56 is where you should have stopped. So you write that down here. Go ahead and do that. Okay, we're going to do this next one here. Let's look at what it says. It says 51 plus 30 equals blank. So what does it say? So what does plus mean? Is the answer going to get bigger or smaller than 51? Yeah, it's going to get bigger than 51 because we're starting at 51, but we're adding more. So let's find 51 and circle it. Did you find 51? It's right there. I'm going to circle it. Okay, I'm going to add 30. Okay, watch me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I ran out of space. What do? I go to the next line at the beginning. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I ran out of space. What do? I go to the beginning of the next line. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I ran out of space. What do? The beginning of the next line. 30. There's 30. So what am I going to put right here? Yes, I'm going to put 81 because 51 plus 30 is 81. Write it down. Okay. Did you write down 81? Okay, let's go to the next one. So 10, 20, 30. Okay, here we go. Now let's go 19 plus 10. So we're going to start at 19 and we're going to add 10 more. So is the answer going to get bigger or smaller than 19? Yeah, it's going to get bigger than 19. So let's find 19. Go ahead and look for 19 and circle it. Okay, there it is, 19. I'm going to circle it. How many am I adding? I'm adding 10. Let's go. 1. I ran out of space. Go to the beginning. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's the answer? 29. So right here, I'm going to write the answer 29. Go ahead and do that right now. Okay, did you write that down? Make sure you write 29 right here. Okay, let's go on to number 4. If I'm going too fast, pause the video. You're in charge, okay? You can pause the video anytime you want. Okay, this time we're going to start at 64. And what are we doing, loves? Yeah, we're going to add 10 more. So let's find 64. There it is. Circle it. Okay, now we're going to get 10 bigger. So that means we're going in this direction. And when we run out of space, we go back to the beginning of the next row. Here we go. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So where did we stop? Yeah, we stopped at 74, so that's the answer right here. 64 plus 10 more is 74. Okay, now that you've written 74 right here, we're going to go on to number 5. Okay, let's read number 5. 23 plus 40 equals blank. So we're going to start at 23. So find 23 here and circle it. Yeah, it's right there. Right underneath 13. It's right there at 3, 13, 23. Let's circle it. Okay, now we're going to add 4 tens. So we're going to go across 4 times, okay? Each one of these rows is a 10. So we're going to add 4 tens, or 40. Here we go. Ready? Count with me, okay? What now? I don't say 1 here. I have to move to say 1. This is not 1. This is 1. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Where did I stop? Yeah, I stopped at 33. Oh, 10. Oh, wait. I got to add 40. I had not 10. Sorry. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Next row. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Next row. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Next row, 38, 39, 40. So this is 40. Look up. Here I was at 23, and I went 4 rows down, and I got to 40, and that's 63. So right here, write down 63. Right here, 23 plus 40. Okay, hopefully you wrote 63 right here. Okay, so let's go to this one right here. Let's read it. 48 plus 50 equals blank. Okay, so we're going to start at 48. So let's find it here and circle it. Okay, so here's 48. Okay, now we're going to add 50 more. So is our answer going to get bigger than 48 or smaller than 48? Yeah, it's going to get bigger because we're going to add more. Okay, so let's count. Right? Remember, we count when we move. We don't count this 48. We move to count. Ready? Begin. 1, 2, next line, next row. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Next row. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Next row right here. 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. Next row, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Next row, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So there's the answer, 98. 48 plus 50 more is 98. So write this number here, right there. Okay, I'm going to write 98 here. That was kind of a tough one. And let's see. Let's see if we can skip count by tens and get 98. Okay, so I had 48 and I add 10 more and I get 58. Then I add 10 more, so I get 68. Then I add 10 more, 78. 10 more, 88. 10 more, 98. I'll do it again. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. The answer is 48 plus 50 is 98. I wrote it there. Okay, finish the equation. Pick any number and add 30 and write the answer. So let's say you pick the number 5. 5. and you're going to add 30. Let's skip count by tens. 10, 20, 30. What's the answer? It's 35. So you would write it here. Okay. 5 plus 30 equals 35. Okay, now you're going to do this one. Pick any number, and you're going to add 20 and write the answer. So you could pick 66, you could pick 17, you could pick 59, any number you want, except this bottom row. Don't pick this bottom row or this row, okay? Any words up here, pick any number and add 20 more and write down your answer, okay? Go right ahead. Okay, hopefully, if you need more time to do this one, go ahead and pause the video so you can finish this one, okay? So, lovies, what were you learning today? Yeah, you were learning to add and subtract tens. That's what we learned, but we used a chart to help you do it, okay? All right, good job.